Best Racing Road Bikes. Are you looking for the best racing road bikes? In this video we will look at 5 of the best racing road bikes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Hiland Road Commuter Bike. The Hiland Road Commuter Bike is a versatile and stylish urban bicycle designed for both men and women who need a reliable and efficient mode of transportation around the city. Featuring large 700c wheels, this bike offers smooth and fast rides on paved roads, making it ideal for daily commuting, fitness rides, or casual weekend cycling. Equipped with a 14-speed gear system, the bike provides a wide range of speeds that allow riders to easily adjust to different terrains and inclines, whether cruising through flat city streets or tackling moderate hills. The shifting system is smooth and responsive, ensuring a comfortable riding experience without frequent gear jams or delays. The bike frame is crafted for durability and lightweight performance, ensuring easy handling and maneuverability in urban environments. Its racing-style design adds a sporty edge, while maintaining comfort with an ergonomic saddle and upright riding position that reduces strain during longer rides. Safety features include reliable brakes that offer strong stopping power in various weather conditions, enhancing rider confidence on busy roads. The Hiland Road Commuter Bike also comes with practical accessories such as fenders and mounts for racks, supporting everyday use in all seasons. Overall, this bike blends style, speed, and practicality, making it a great choice for city dwellers seeking an affordable, high-quality bike for commuting, exercise, and leisure. Number 2. Hiland 700c Road Bike. The Hiland 700c Road Bike is a versatile and stylish option designed for both men and women who want a reliable bike for city commuting, fitness, or casual racing. Featuring a durable yet lightweight aluminum frame, this bike offers excellent strength and agility, making it perfect for urban roads and smooth pavement rides. Its 700c wheels provide a good balance of speed and control, allowing riders to easily navigate through traffic or enjoy longer rides comfortably. Equipped with a 14-speed gear system, the Hiland Road Bike offers smooth and precise shifting, enabling riders to adjust easily to varying terrains and inclines. Whether climbing hills or cruising flat streets, the bike's gearing ensures an efficient and comfortable ride. The bike's design emphasizes comfort and performance, with ergonomic handlebars and a saddle shape to reduce fatigue during extended rides. Ideal for commuters and fitness enthusiasts alike, this bike blends sporty aesthetics with practical features. The frame's sturdy construction ensures stability and durability, while the reliable braking system provides safe and responsive stopping power. Additionally, the bike's lightweight design makes it easy to carry or store when needed. Overall, the Hiland 700c Road Bike is a dependable and stylish choice for riders seeking a functional bike for daily commuting, urban exploration, or recreational cycling. Its combination of quality materials, versatile gearing, and user-friendly design makes it suitable for beginners and experienced cyclists alike. Number 3. Ecarpat 700c Hybrid Road Bike. The 700c hybrid road bikes offer versatile and reliable performance, perfect for men and women looking for a practical and stylish mode of transportation. Available with 16, 21, or 24-speed gear options, these bicycles provide smooth shifting and efficient riding across various terrains, whether commuting through city streets, cruising to school, or heading to work. The 700c wheel size strikes a great balance between speed and control, making it ideal for urban environments and light road cycling. Constructed from durable aluminum or steel frames, these bikes combine strength and lightweight design, ensuring long-lasting use without sacrificing maneuverability. The frames are designed to offer a comfortable riding posture, reducing fatigue on longer rides. Equipped with quality components such as reliable brakes and multi-speed derailleurs, these bikes promise safety and performance for daily commuting. These hybrid bikes feature practical accessories, such as ergonomic saddles and grips, enhancing rider comfort. Their classic yet modern design makes them great gift options for the holiday season, including Christmas and New Year. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced rider, these bicycles are well suited for urban commuting, fitness riding, or weekend adventures. Overall, the 700C hybrid road bikes deliver excellent value, combining functionality, style, and comfort. They are an excellent choice for anyone seeking an affordable and dependable bike for everyday use. Number 4. Omelaza 700C Road Bike. The 700C Will 21 speed road bike is designed for both men and women seeking a fast, efficient, and stylish commuter or racing bike. Featuring a lightweight aluminum alloy frame, this bike offers excellent durability while ensuring ease of handling and maneuverability. The frame's design helps riders maintain speed and comfort on long rides, making it ideal for daily commuting or weekend racing. Equipped with 21 speeds, this bike provides versatile gear options to tackle various terrains, from flat city streets to uphill climbs. The multi-speed system allows smooth and quick shifting, helping riders adjust their cadence and power output efficiently. V-brakes on the front and rear wheels offer reliable stopping power and enhanced safety, even in wet conditions. The 700C wheels are standard for road bikes, providing a balance of speed, stability, and comfort. The tires are designed to minimize rolling resistance while maintaining good traction on urban roads. The bike is available in attractive red and blue color options, combining performance with aesthetic appeal. This bike suits adult riders looking for a lightweight, fast, and agile option for commuting or casual racing. Its durable construction and responsive components make it a practical and enjoyable choice for both beginners and experienced cyclists. Whether riding to work, school, or enjoying weekend rides, this 700C 21 speed road bike offers a solid blend of speed, control, and comfort. Number 5. Hiland 700C Road Bike. The Hiland 700C road bike is a versatile and lightweight bicycle designed for both men and women who enjoy sport and racing cycling. Built with a durable aluminum alloy frame, this bike offers an excellent balance of strength and reduced weight, making it easy to handle and fast on the road. The 700C wheels are standard for road bikes, providing smooth rolling performance and efficient speed, ideal for commuting, fitness rides, or competitive racing. Equipped with a 14-speed gear system, the Hiland road bike allows riders to easily switch between gears to adapt to various terrains, from flat city streets to moderate hills. The multi-speed feature enhances control and comfort, giving riders a more customized cycling experience whether tackling long distances or quick sprints. This bike also features reliable V-brakes that offer strong stopping power and responsive braking in different weather conditions, ensuring safety during rides. Its ergonomic design includes comfortable handlebars and a saddle suited for longer rides without discomfort. Perfect for adult cyclists seeking a combination of sportiness and everyday usability, the Hiland 700C road bike fits well for urban commuting, fitness cycling, or weekend road adventures. Its stylish yet functional design, combined with lightweight construction and versatile gear options, makes it a solid choice for beginners and experienced riders alike. In summary, the Hiland 700C road bike is a practical, efficient, and lightweight sport bike tailored for men and women who want reliable performance, speed, and comfort on the road.